Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I want you to go over the 30-minute time frame and how you could use this to your advantage as a day trader. I'm going to use a various amount of examples to explain to you how using a 30-minute structure can help you trade effectively on a daily basis without fading the trend, right? You don't need to enter on bearish trending stocks. Just by effectively using this 30-minute technique, it will help save you so much hassle and so much tears by playing stocks that are actually trending down. Now, how do you use this strategy? Now let's look at a few examples, starting off with ZAPP. What we have here is, initially we have a downtrend on the 30-minute chart. 1, 2, 3 touch, and we can quite clearly see here we are testing this trend. And then we have that break. Once we have that break, we come back down and we start testing on a lower volume pullback. Again, now what this is showing a new trend being established, a new bullish trend, which again from here we break and we push 11.8 just here, which is a nice 15% move. Even though this is on low volume, still it shows the power of trading a stock on an uptrend, right? You don't want to trade the stock when we are downtrending. You don't want to. You could enter, let's say for example you enter here and you have a stop loss just under this candle. It'll stop you out and then it'll run. So your best bet is to make sure the 30-minute is trending up before trading. Another example I want to give it, and is an alert I gave in the Discord, which is SPWR. Let's use this 30-minute as an example. We look left and we see the highs. This is the high is 0.7675, 0.77, let's just say. We are in a downtrend and I'm not trading the stock unless we break above and we start holding. Now we break above this level and we start to hold this level with a low volume pullback. I entered this play at 0.79 just here, and we ended up paying 1.23, which is a nice 56% move to the upside. Again, this shows you a nice bullish trend. What the 30-minute is doing is, again, you are not trading the stock on a downtrend anymore. You are officially starting your uptrend phase, which is bullish. And again, this will help you become a much better trader. It'll also help you avoid any unnecessary downtrends. Let's go to another ticker, CTNT. This was an after hour play, but look, this 30-minute, we see a clear high. We push down instantly. Again, the trend is still bearish. We break up, we hold, and bang, instant new highs, and we push that next level on the daily chart. Another 20% move. Now, NUZD is another example, which is doing a very similar thing here. Again, we hold, we break up, and we hold this 30-minute chart. Once we start to hold this 30-minute level, we form a nice bullish pennant, and again we hit new highs, a nice 25-30% move. You can quite clearly see here that 30-minute is quite bullish. Again, this could be a potential play to tomorrow, we never know, but again, it gave you new highs from this level on the 30-minute time frame. I want to also look at some bearish examples, and let's just find, because it's not going to work 100% of the time, right? You get examples where it's bearish, but let's see, for example here, this is not a bearish example, but again, it's bullish. We got this 30-minute high here, we break up, we hold, and we make new highs, a 25% move. After that, we're not able to hold above. Now, let's look at how it happens once it breaks below. It breaks below, and we are not able to recover. Even though we break as mini downtrend here, we have a nice 10% move still. We don't have that big follow through. Why? Because the overall trend is bearish. So I will never trade the stock once it breaks below this structure. Break of structure, BOS, that's what it's also known as. You want to always keep that structure trend bullish. Let's look at another example on the 30-minute chart, another bullish example, ALLR. Look at this 30-minute, this high was here, looking left, we break up and we start to hold. Once we started to base above this 30-minute chart, we took an entry in the Discord. I gave as an after hour play, I made a nice 20% move to the upside. Now another example will be, we got hollow as an example which we use, and again we have this 30-minute time frame. But this play is a bit more of a confusing play. The structure, however, has been strong. So we got this first structure here, we break, we hold, we break above, we hit 0.72, then we come back down, we retest this area, and we break back above. So overall it was a good trending stock, a good play. And then we've got another one in NIBF again. With this is more of a tough play to kind of touch. Again, we've got this high here, we're not quite able to break above and base over, so this doesn't give that bigger follow through. However, it could be something we watch into tomorrow. So again, with the 30-minute chart, essentially what you're doing is You're waiting for stocks that are actually trending up to the upside and are bullish. You're not playing plays that are up and down, or plays that are on a bearish trend. You're fading, you're kind of mitigating your risk to the downside, right? You're trading stocks in favor of you, in favor of your chart, in favor of everything you do, right? You are not risking a high amount by doing this. It will take a bit of practice, but use a 30-minute time frame to advantage and use it to make yourself extra stress-free money. That's why I call it stress-free money for a reason. And that's all it is. It's stress-free money, making sure that trend is bullish, making sure you're actually trading stocks that are not bearish. I want to give you a quick example of a bearish one. For example, MIRA. Why wouldn't we trade this today? If you traded this yesterday, look, 30-minute bullish trend. Now, why did I trade this today? There is no trend, right? There is nothing bullish about it. We are in a deep downtrend. What would make me trade this is if we broke this 30-minute downtrend, like this, for example. Let's just do a polyline and I'll show you an example. So we break the downtrend and then 30 minutes starts to hold this level. Once you hold this level, then you can start looking at a play on this, right? Otherwise, I wouldn't touch. I want everything to be in my favor. I want everything to show that, okay, we break base play. So that's an example of a bearish structure. So you wouldn't trade this. Shorts would be a lot more heavy on this, and it favors shorts a lot more in that sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. 6-minute video, not long, but it should hopefully get some information to you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.